Hello everyone, my name is David Solorzano, Segovia, and I'm very happy to be here with you. Today I would like to share some of my thoughts on what I've been learning from the current quality management. This is a video for my MBA 5320 Quality Management class at the Indiana Institute of Technology. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions or concerns you may have. Without any further ado, I will proceed. The first thing is that quality management has had an evolution over the past of the years. I mean, everything started thanks to different gurus of quality management, which first instituted quality inspection, which was a process in which waste got reduced based on pre-inspections before the work, which back in the day it definitely helped, especially manufacturing organizations or companies, along with Ford, which was another big institution that instituted this quality inspection. Then we jump a couple of years into quality control. This was developed by mainly by Walter A. Schuhart, and it also the main purpose is to identify problems or risks early on in the project to get a better product at the end. Then we jump into quality assurance. This focuses a little bit more on activities, also before the work and then during the work to avoid and reduce waste, and also extra work that might have been incurred otherwise. And then more recently, we jump to total quality management, which is TQM. This is more a culture that an organization has to adopt to find different ways to reduce waste. Another um, way that quality management has improved is through Six Sigma. And this is uh, a method of improvement based on process and analytical data collected by the quality management specialists in organizations. Because this is a current quality management presentation, I would like to emphasize my efforts and my time into specific ways of quality management that are currently available and are used mostly in many organizations, which are TQM and also Six Sigma. With TQM, as previously explained, this is a management approach that seeks to provide long-term success by providing unparalleled customer satisfaction through the constant delivery of quality services. It's very important for us to understand that TQM is more a culture that our organization has to develop to find these processes and these ways to improve processes, projects, and also the creation of different materials with the pass of the time. It's not something that comes right away for organizations, but it needs time, it needs constant effort from leaders and also the workers. As seen in this picture, TQM, um, it's a process of continuous improvement. It's customer focused. Um, it needs leadership to succeed, to guide the process, to guide the culture, to improve processes based on what's happening in organization and processes. It's evidence based, which is very important. It's a process approach. Um, it has to do with relationship management, as previously explained, with leaders guiding and giving the example to workers, engage people. It has to. It has a lot of communication, and it's a process of improvement. It takes time, but it's definitely worth it. This is used in well, and something I forgot to mention is that it depends the type of progress or the type of work is being done in the organization, um, which defines the use of either TQM or Six Sigma. But so far, this is more of a culture, more of a continuous process to improve specific methods or processes. Um, but now with this, we jump into the next one, which is Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a process that measures the process that makes use of statistics and data analysis to analyze and reduce errors or defects. So shown in this picture below, it says everything starts with define, then measure, then analyze, then improve, and then control. So Six Sigma is a little bit different because it bases all the research, all the effort in previous analytical information, which means that there are different iterations that um, take place between different projects or processes, and that's a time when Six Sigma enters into the game or into the organization. And based on that data that was um, procured, um, based on the work of that iteration or of that process, it looks for different ways to improve from there on. As you can see in this picture or in this graph, um, it's like a never-ending circle. Everything starts with analyze, then improve, control, define, and measure. There are many ways that Six Sigma gets into an organization, mainly through leadership. And one very specific way that has been very helpful in the last couple years is the implementation of Lean Six Sigma, which is a more specialized way to apply quality management to our organization and projects processes. Um, there are different belts or different levels of this certification. Um, mainly, um, and this is something that you can get with the pass of the years as well, and experience and education. This is something that has always been a point of interest to me, and that's why I decided to take this white belt certification. And even though it's not as important as other belts or other levels of certification, it helped me understand how big of a deal Lean Six Sigma could make in our organization. I believe and encourage everyone to take these certifications as it really opens the eyes of the leader as of the different ways that we can improve, not only with the use of analytical information, but also to implement other type of processes such as agile or to improve the iterations, the types of work, the ways we do things in organizations. And me as a project manager, I found the resources and the information of this specific certification very valuable. I strongly believe that this is a way an organization can make big changes for the best. These are my resources, and I appreciate the time you have given me to share this presentation. Have a good rest of your day. Bye now.